lecture today is how to make an interactive whiteboard using a Wii remote. Now, where I downloaded Johnny Lee's software is off of smoothboard.net. So if you go to that website, you can go to the part where it actually has download. If you click on the download, it'll bring you to another website where, if you look really close, you'll have a primary and a mirror. Either one will work fine just to download, and it'll end up installing a software that's called Smoothboard 1.0. Some other materials you will need is a LCD projector, as well as a Wii remote. One other item that you'll need to make this interactive whiteboard function is a infrared pen. As you can see here, the infrared pen that I purchased off the internet has a red switch. This red switch, when pushed, will turn the pen on and off. Okay, now a location where I got mine, and there's a lot of them on the internet, but the one that I got was from Wii Teachers. One other item that you'll need is a personal laptop or school laptop that has Bluetooth abilities to connect through Bluetooth to numerous devices. For example, once you do get a computer that has Bluetooth, you will have to connect the Wii remote using the Bluetooth function on your actual computer. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how, using Bluetooth on a computer, how you can connect a Wii remote. Now, if you don't have Bluetooth built in, you might have to buy a Bluetooth USB, which you can find at any electronics store, and that will allow you to do the same thing. So what I'm doing on my computer is I have a little Bluetooth icon on the very bottom. I'm going to double click that. Now I have, and as you can see, I already have one that I've added before. Now to do this, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to first make your Wii remote discoverable by your computer, which on the back, if you take the camera, or not the camera, but the battery cover off, you can find a little red button which says sync. So now I need to add. So I'm going to push the add. The screen's going to pop up. I need to say that my device, yes, my device is ready to be found. So what's going to happen is you're going to want to push the red button on the back. Pushed it. It's going to be flashing on the computer. You're going to want to click the next button. It's going to be going to find, now it's going to search for that Wii remote that is still in discoverable mode. It's going to keep searching. It might take a little bit for it, but once it has found it, it'll pop up and there'll be a screen that says yes. Now as you can see, mine already says already connected. I'm going to double click on that. Now that I've double clicked, I have some options. I'm going to choose not to use a pass key. Click next. It's going to install this software right now. So it's installing the driver for the Bluetooth remote, so that we can, or the Wii remote, sorry, through Bluetooth, so that I can still use it via Bluetooth. And again, this might take a little bit of time for it to install the software. Once it has installed, it will have a little pop-up screen down at the bottom that'll say your remote is successfully connected. As you can see, the screen did just pop up down there. It says it's installing it. Now it has said that it is installed. Click finish. Now I'm going to X out of where my Bluetooth is. Sorry, get this out of here. Now I'm going to go to Smoothboard that I explained earlier that I had connected. Now I'm going to have this screen pop up. I'm going to have to wait for a little bit until I can actually use it. It is a free copy. You can pay for this if you'd like, but they do have it so that it's open. Now I'm going to click continue. Now this is something I have had happen quite a few times, where I'm still messing around trying to get it so that it will connect to my remote the first time. Usually what happens is if you go back through the whole process, as far as going to, whoops, let me find it here, the Bluetooth, opening that back up and going through the steps once again. Usually the second time it does work. For whatever reason, I'm not sure, but definitely you'll have to play around with it, get it used to it so that you know how to connect it every time efficiently.